This is Ken Pyle, and we're at the ACA Summit, the 2014 Summit, with RJ Juneau of Maxxian. Now, Maxxian has a product that looks very interesting because it basically will automate what would have been required, probably a person getting a spreadsheet out and doing a lot of things.
Well, or a team of people if they have the capability. So what we're doing is we're getting into a lot of the technical systems that people have said it's impossible to get into. So we'll go into the security systems, the network systems that are custom for all the set tops, that's non-standard systems, go into the billing system, get all that data out, compare and see what doesn't make sense. So some of it is operational, so we'll see configuration problems, things that are missing that can prevent a box from watching VOD. And then a lot of it is also revenue related. So we'll see cable modems with a higher package than they're paying for. We'll see devices that have been left in test too long and that have wandered off, or devices that are operating that the billing system says are supposed to be shut off or completely unknown. And we go beyond just detecting it. Our customers trust us enough to fix the problems automatically without any operator intervention.
It seems to me that must allow for huge cost savings in terms of the operators.
It's been huge cost savings from the revenue side because we track when boxes and cable modems come back to account, but the biggest savings are operational. So for instance, if we can give a full analysis of what's wrong in a house before the tech goes in, so we can it doesn't matter what the customer called for, we can say there's a response problem, there's a connection problem, and then we can rank how that service call was performed the next day. So we do reports that rank it up by field tech, by director, supervisor. Then they get a report card every day on whether service calls were done correctly or not. And when we implemented that, we saw a 15% drop in truck rolls for the month it was implemented, and that was sustained.
Well, that's huge. And I would imagine those that kind of drop in truck rolls probably pays for your system.
There's lots of different ways that the system's paid for itself. Both revenue, operational optimization by reducing network traffic from just cleaning out things from the systems that don't need to be there, and then from truck roll and response. And in some cases, customer service people being able to see immediately what's wrong because they can get to the bottom of problems very quickly on our system.
And what you have, it goes in the head end, right? You don't need clients on these devices?
No, there is no software loaded on any of your systems. We put in systems at the operator head end that are able to extract the data without leaving any footprints. And so the data always stays at your site. We don't have privacy issues, and we don't even want, say, customer names and phone numbers. If that information is required, somebody really should be going through the billing system where that's logged and tracked.
That's great. So it really doesn't go into the cloud, it stays in the system.
It stays in the system, absolutely.
It seems to me that the fact that you've got this in the head end, that could be kind of neutral as far as what kind of systems on the distribution side, whether it's an RF or IPTV.
Well, every one of those is a technical challenge, and we've been able to get into any system our customers have let us at. So it's a big trust issue. We engineer on their production networks. We've got a track record of doing this without affecting anything. We're doing our first IPTV systems right now. We've got cable modem, automatic clone denial running starting this month. And we just tell customers, if we can't get the data out and integrate it, we never charge.
What about from a scale perspective? Is it, can a small operator use this effectively?
We've got operators down at the 30,000 subscriber range. We've got operators in the millions of subscribers. So we've been able to scale it. It works automatically cross-system, so we've had mixed ARIS Cisco systems. Our customer doing IPTV is mixed with Modo, so they're putting in new technology. We've been able to handle about 8 different billing systems, and we're able to handle cross systems. So if they have multiple systems, multiple DACs, DNCSs, we have the added benefit of spotting the duplication between the systems and automatically cleaning that up.
Well, RJ, appreciate your time and enlightening us.
Appreciate you coming by. Thank you very much.
Thanks.